Hi, this is Reed over at Walser Buick GMC in Bloomington. Today we're going to give you a quick demo on how to pair your iPhone to Apple CarPlay in one of the new Buicks on our lot. All right, here we are inside of a 2023 Buick Enclave. This vehicle is equipped with Apple CarPlay that is wireless. We're going to show you how to connect that now. So first up, click Settings, Phones, add a phone. Then you're going to navigate to your phone, go to the Settings app within your iPhone. From there, you're going to click Bluetooth, and then at the very bottom you should see My Buick displayed at the bottom under Other Devices. Then you're going to click My Buick, and it's going to ask you to pair your device. You're going to match the number on your phone with the number on the screen of the infotainment center, and you're going to click OK. It's going to ask if you want to allow your contacts to sync. Click Allow. And then you're connected to Bluetooth. There's one other prompt on the screen of the Buick. It's going to ask about Apple CarPlay. To use CarPlay, just hit Continue, a big green Continue button. It's going to say check your phone, and then you have to click Use CarPlay on your phone. And then a few more seconds will go by, and now you've got wireless Apple CarPlay. And this specific model has a wireless phone charger as well. Again, this was Reed at Walser. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you were able to get that figured out. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to stop by and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.